Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 is making a grinding noise while blending, it's likely that the blades are worn or damaged. This can occur due to regular use, especially if you're blending tough ingredients. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to more serious damage to the motor or other components, which could be costly to repair. To carry out this blade replacement, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade set for the Thermomix TM5, and a soft cloth. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by turning the device upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the base of the machine. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, taking care not to force any parts. Locate the blade assembly. This is usually secured with a locking ring which can be easily unscrewed with your flathead screwdriver. Carefully unscrew the locking ring, ensuring not to apply too much force, to avoid damaging the surrounding components. After the ring is removed, grasp the blade assembly and pull it straight out. You may need to wiggle it gently to free it from any stubborn spots. Now, take your new blade set and ensure it matches the old one. Insert the new blade assembly into the base, pushing it firmly but gently into place. Replace the locking ring by screwing it back on securely. It's important to ensure that it's tight but not overly so, to prevent damage. As you reassemble the base, be mindful of any cables that may need to be tucked away safely. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly to secure the base. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your Thermomix and test it to ensure the grinding noise is gone. If it runs smoothly, you've successfully replaced the blades. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid blending hard ingredients too frequently and ensure that your blades are kept clean and well maintained. Regular checks can help in catching any wear before it leads to grinding noises. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.